Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Maps tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to measure an area in Google Maps. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Maps and go to the place where I want to measure an area. For this tutorial it's the Cathedral of Cologne. To measure its area I go to a corner, right click and select Measure Distance. This doesn't sound like the right function at first, but we now left click on the corner points of the Cologne Cathedral, and when we got around, I click on my starting point. In addition to the measured distance, I can now also see the area down here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.